Today we will discuss about right understanding because that is missing in our life. From childhood onwards, predefined aspirations imposing on upon our mind. These are the predefined aspirations, not defined by us, by the society, to enter into the professional career. For that, what we want to do up to 18 years, we are doing our education for getting good score in the competition examination. For engineering career means IIT, JEE, or medical means NEET or law, again MBA, CAT, something. So our 18 years life, one predefined aspiration is there, that is to enter into the professional career. So our aspiration is completing. Just I already mentioned for completing technical enter into technical field means BTech, MTech, PhD, medical MBBS, MD, something some degrees we are entering into that courses. Then after 4 to 10 years, maybe we are completing our masters. PhD means 10 years, maybe masters means 6 years. Only bachelors means 4 years. 4 to 10 years we are spending time again acquire knowledge, professionality. Some engineering means we are learning so many languages. So my aspiration next after entering into the professional courses, that 4 to 10 years, my aspiration acquire the knowledge. Mechanical engineer, civil or electrical, something means ANSYS tool, ProE or structural analysis tools or MATLAB something or software related work we are interested, maybe languages. That's all. So this is a defined, not defined by us. My aspiration is again is completing 4 to 10 years. Maybe other professional degrees we are acquiring some after MBBS we are moving to the MD, MS something. Finance sector we are interesting again we are moving to the MBA or CA or law. Or our society is interested. Society means maybe your parents, maybe your teachers, or maybe your friends or well wishers. If they are very much keen about IPS or IS, means they are again they are giving one predefined aspiration to us, right? Civil service examination. Okay, after within 10 years, 18 and 10 means 28 to 30 years. Below 28 to 30 years, you can achieve whatever the aspirations imposed by our society. Okay, very good. 30 years age, our aspirations are completed. Then next aspiration, lifelong aspiration, it is feeding in our minds. Only one aspiration: earn money. You learn the things, so earn money. Entire life, what up to till death, only one target: earn money, earn money, earn money. Why? Because you learned 30 years, you learned so many things. So by apply of your learned things and earn money. For earning money, there is no limitation. If I earn 10 crores, I am happy. No. 20 crores, I am happy. No. So there is endless job. So our entire 30 years life, we are living with unhappy. This unhappiness in professional career leads to health issues. Special health issues we all know. So one is sugar, second one is BP. It's an indication of unhappy of professional work. Then with that unhappy we are doing the job. After a job, 10 hours job, maybe 4 to 6 hours we are spending time to the family. They are also family also unhappy. Yourself is unhappy, family is unhappy. So finally society is unhappy. So, right aspiration, want to select right aspiration, universal acceptance, right aspiration, then your entire professional career will lead as a happy, with happy condition. So, our aspiration must be, there is not one human being, it may be rich or poor, it may be rural background or it may be urban background. The human being aspiration must be happy life with the minimum financial freedom. Happy life with the minimum financial. This is our aspiration. From childhood onwards, our society may drive in this direction. Then we are happy with our work because 10 hours time we are spending for work only. In the work time we are happy. Then whatever the time we are spending with the family, 4 to 6 hours, they are also happy. So society is happy. So the right direction of aspiration, selection of the aspiration for the all human beings is lead happy life with the minimum financial freedom. I'm not telling zero financial freedom, with the minimum financial freedom, lead happy life. It is our aspiration. So for that, how I can identify happy life? How I can achieve happy life? A right understanding of self from the childhood onwards, where our expertise, our talent, by passion we can work, not selection of the profession, by passion how we are doing work, the style of work. We all know, sir, Rajnikant, how we become the superstar, just a style of work. Whatever the conductor job is there, he is doing it with style. That style brings him to the top position. Because by passion he is doing work from conductor to the superstar. So whatever the profession we are selecting or whatever the work we are interested, if our self is satisfied, self is not satisfied by money earnings, minimum financial freedom. If your self is satisfied, thereby you are doing by passionate work, by passion, your right understanding of self, by passion you can work. So now you decide your self satisfaction type of work. Then how much financial freedom is required, you can decide. Then which profession your self is satisfied, finalize. For that profession, what type of degrees are required. That's all. So this one must be identified by ourselves or our society. In this direction, they are guiding us. We are happy. Total 24 hours time, 10 hours we are doing work only, job. 4 to 6 hours we are spending time to the family. They are also happy. So self and family is happy, then society also happy. There is no health issues, there is no fightings. I think this is the way of right understanding of self leads to right aspiration, happy life with minimum prosperity. Thank you.